guys, it's me Ankita. Welcome to Food Delicious. Today I'm going to share one recipe called chicken dynamite. Sounds scary, but while eating it's not. It's really tasty. So let's start. To begin with, I'm going to do the decoration part first because I need some time to soak. So I will just show you. We need some ice and I'm going to fill some water in it. And now we have some lettuce. These are iceberg lettuce I'm going to use. For my decoration, you can use anything you like. You can use some cabbage leaves, some carrot, whatever way you want to serve, you can do that. So what we will do, we are going to soak it in the ice water so it gives that crunch. So I'm going to soak this iceberg lettuce and keep it aside. You have to give some time for that. Now let's do the marination for the chicken. So here I have some boneless chicken breast which I cut it into small cubes. If you like, you can cut it into strips as well, but I prefer cubes, so I cut it into cubes. Now we will do the first marination. For that here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. Into it I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste, say 2 spoons, some soya sauce, that also I'm going to take 2 spoons. Some salt, just remember the soya sauce, it's already salty, so you have to be careful when you're putting the salt in it. So I'm just going to add a little bit later on because we are going to make the batter as well. So salt part, you have to go according to your taste. Just to marinate, I just put a little bit salt, like half teaspoon I just taken, and half lemon juice because I like my chicken to be tangy. So I'll just use half lemon juice. If you want, you can add vinegar in it. That's it. Now I will put a little bit of chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. I did not use the red chili. Kashmiri red chili to give the color. And I'll just mix it nicely. I'll keep this one at least for 2 hours so all the marination can go into the chicken, so your chicken will be really moist and tasty. But if you don't have time, your guests are coming early, you can at least keep it for half an hour. That should be fine. But I have time, so I'm going to keep this for 2 hours and I will show you after 2 hours. Okay, so after 2 hours our chicken is already marinated. Now we will be frying it. So as you can see, I already keep the oil on a heat. Let it get heat up nicely. Till that time I'm going to coat the chicken because it will be a deep fry. Then we'll make a separate sauce for it. So for that I need all-purpose flour, 2 big spoon. My spoon is a little bit small, so I'm taking 4. If your spoon is big, take 2. Along with that, corn flour, 2 teaspoons. This corn flour will give you the extra crunch. Some salt. Remember, we already marinate our chicken with the salt, so accordingly you have to put it. Around 1 egg white to bind. Into it I'm going to mix some mixed herb. Here I have oregano, thyme, basil and parsley mixed all together. 1 teaspoon. This will give you a different taste. Some crushed black pepper, some red chili powder because I love spice. Now we are going to mix this. You can use your hand or you can use a spoon to mix. Make sure all the chicken will be coated nicely. Okay. Till our oil is getting heated up, we'll make the sauce where we will coat our fried chicken, because I want the sauce to be a little bit chill. So we will make the sauce and we'll keep it in the fridge for, let's say, 10-15 minutes. Till the oil is getting heated up, we are going to make the sauce, because the fried chicken I'm going to coat with the tangy spicy sauce. So to make the sauce I need mayo, half cup of mayo I have taken here, some chili sauce, some tomato ketchup. This also same quantity, 2 teaspoons. Some chili powder because the sauce needs to be a little bit spicy, so I'll add half teaspoon of chili powder. Garlic I'm going to crush and put it in. That will give you a very nice flavor to it. Now we are going to mix this one nicely. With this I'm going to put a little bit salt. If your mayo is already salty, you can skip. I will taste it, but still. I will mix nicely. This is our sauce. It's ready. I'm going to keep it in the fridge to let it chill for some time. Now we will fry the chicken. Our oil is heated up nicely, so we're going to put the chicken just one by one. It's a deep fry, so you need a little bit more oil to fry the chicken nicely, and keep the flame on a medium. That's it. Don't put all the chicken together, so it will be stick together and it will not come out as a single piece. And as you can see, our chicken are ready and it's nice and crispy. So I'm going to take out paper towel. As you can see, our chicken is cooked. Now I just need the crunch. So for that I'm going to add this chicken one more time, and this time I will keep the flame high. So just I need the outer coating to be a little bit crispy. Just for 1 minute, and I'm going to take this thing off. Okay, so we already fried for 1 minute, and as you can see, our chicken are ready and it's nice and crispy. Okay, so our chicken ready, and I take out the sauce also. Now what we are going to do, we're just going to mix it. So I'll just take the chicken into the sauce which we did it earlier. Mix. So as you can see, our chickens are coated nicely with the sauce. Now we will do the presentation part. Now this one, it's totally up to you how you want it to present. You can put it on a plate, bowl, but I have a nice martini glass where I'm going to serve. I'm going to place it, and inside it I'm going to put the chicken. So it will be sort of a cup. And we will finish with little bit dal, sprinkle on top. Final touch with a slice of a lemon. So it's ready, our chicken dynamite. Now I'm going to call somebody who will taste and let me know how does it taste.
Hello. Yeah. Guys, also don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification button. Bye. Also, this is really good.